Yeah, okay.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, should I
All right.
start?
Sure, sure. Please.
Uh, this picture is seems of a classroom
Hmm.
of a school where a lady teacher sat on a chair
Hmm.
with a big storybook along her students. Now she is going to tell them a story which name is a Sleeping Beauty.
Hmm.
When she started her story, no one interested to listen her. Some student was making a drawing and some of them was sleeping with snore.
Hmm.
All seen that teacher was annoyed and punished them. Those who were not attentive the class.
Hmm.
Rest of students were giggling. Punished
Hmm.
students felt bad.
Hmm.
After some time, class has been normal. Then teacher select a girl student. She command her to stand up and read a story very loud.
Hmm.
But that girl uh, was sleeping with snore. To
Mm-mm.
hear an
No, you can say that the girl was snoring.
snoring. Okay,
Hmm.
that girl was snoring.
Hmm.
To hear announced her name, she scared, and
She got
all is
scared.
sorry, ma'am.
She got scared.
Oh God, she got scared, and all students laughed a lot.
Hmm.
That's it.
Superb
She
explanation. Very nice.
thank you.
One more thing. The class has been normal nahi hoga. The class was normal, or you can say the class was back to normal.
Okay, मैम
Okay.
was back to normal ठीक रहेगा ना बोलना?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
Was back to normal.
Very
Okay,
good explanation.
thank you.
And when you said that the kids felt very bad, instead of
Yes,
saying very bad, you can also say that they felt miserable.
miserable.
Yes,
Okay,
let me write the word for you. Wait, I'll
the
tell you.
students was felt miserable, है ना?
Miserable, yes.
काम किया मेरा?
This is the word. Okay.
ठीक है मैम.
Yes, who's next?
Ma'am, can I,
Hi.
ma'am?
Yes, yes, please.
It's a Monday morning. The school bell rang, and the
Hmm.
teacher came into a class.
Hmm.
All students greet the teacher.
Hmm.
After that teacher opened a big book of drawing with a story.
Hmm.
She said to the one of student to
Hmm.
read aloud, but that student is busy in giggling with another student. The teacher feel very bad. Then she saw one girl is snoring. All students also notice that girl and laugh. Now the teacher is really very annoyed with students' behavior. She shouted to them. She punished them up. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, good one. Who's next?
मैम पिक्चर दिखाना. Yeah.
Yes, who is speaking now?
मैम मैं बोलूँ.
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, this picture is the this picture of a classroom.
Hmm.
I can see
Hmm.
a big book which name is Sleeping Beauty,
Hmm.
and in picture teacher is teaching many children.
Hmm.
During the class, some is snoring loudly.
Hmm.
When teacher is teaching very well,
Hmm.
all children are laughing on that girl.
Hmm.
The girl is feel miserable.
Felt miserable.
Felt mis मैम मैंने प्रेजेंट में बोला है ना.
The girl feel miserable. The girl feel miserable when you are talking already in past. So आप present में कैसे आ सकते हो?
नहीं मैम पास्ट में बोल रहा हूँ मैं सब चीज.
वही मैं
When
कह रही
teacher
हूँ when you are already talking in past, so present में तो गलत हो गया ना?
मैम मैंने सारे सेंटेंसेस प्रेजेंट में ही बोले हैं. When teacher is teaching very well.
The girl
पढ़ा रहे.
feel नहीं होगा तो feels होगा ना?
Okay.
The
The
girl
girl
feels bad.
feels miserable, but one is giggle slowly. Then
Hmm.
teacher is punishing to that girl.
Hmm.
Teacher gives her for draw up drawing,
Hmm.
painting, and tell her
Hmm.
um, this is your punishment.
Hmm. Hmm.
That's it.
Okay. Tells her that this is your punishment.
Yeah.
The teacher tells her that this is your punishment now. Okay. Chirag? And don't wait for me to
Yes,
call your
ma'am.
meeting. Just do it one by one. एक एक करके सब बोलते जाओ. Yes. Yes, Chirag?
तो मेरे को बोलना है उसमें. This is a classroom.
Hmm.
This is teacher was lying a book.
Hmm.
The book name is Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty.
Hmm.
Ma'am was फिर
Ma'am was
स्टार्टिंग पढ़ाने को क्या कहते हैं?
Ma'am started
Started.
teaching.
Ma'am started teaching.
Hmm.
Ma'am starting teaching. Then ma'am suddenly ma'am listening the voice of snoring.
Huh.
Ma'am then ma'am said who is the
Hmm.
कौन ये आवाज निकाल रहा है?
Who is making?
Who is making snoring sound?
Hmm.
Then
Or you can
students
simply say who is snoring in the class.
who is snoring in the class. Then other students is laughing to saw the snoring person
To see.
snoring
Hmm.
to see snoring person.
Hmm.
Then ma'am was annoyed to him या her.
Ma'am was annoyed.
Annoyed to.
That's it. Ma'am was annoyed.
Oh, ma'am was annoyed and that's it.
What happened then? When she was annoyed, what happened then?
Then ma'am ने उसे बताया.
Ma'am told her.
Ma'am told her
Hmm.
what are you doing in the class
Hmm.
and this is your speaking beauty class.
Hmm.
not a snoring class. So
Hmm.
back to your bench,
Hmm.
and
Okay. Hmm.
that's it.
Hmm. 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 Okay. Good one. Yeah, but it's your turn.
Okay, ma'am. In the in this classroom, there are students are studying with teacher. Teacher is explaining the chapter,
Hmm.
and students are not listening to teacher.
Hmm.
They are giggling on teacher,
Hmm.
and one girl is sleeping in class,
Hmm.
and teacher scolding her, and other students are laughing on that girl.
Hmm.
That girl is feeling very bad because other students are laughing on her.
Hmm.
They are doing drawings on their books in between that period,
Hmm.
and teacher is so angry on children because they are not totally ignoring the teacher and not listening to teacher.
Hmm.
They are looking here and there when teacher is explaining them.
Hmm.
I'm only this.
Okay, good enough. Nice try. Neha, have you done? Neha has done, right? Neha?
Yeah, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So here it is Renu. Renu Nagar. Hello? Renu?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's Pulkit.
Pulkit. Okay. Hi Pulkit, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Hi Pulkit, this side Richa, your trainer.
Yes.
Yes, Pulkit, could you just introduce yourself to us?
I'm Pulkit. I'm in 10th
Okay.
and or 11th, you can say.
All right.
Yes. Yes. So I live in Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
And Pulkit, what's your purpose to join us?
Just to uh, you can say ki just to
Hmm. Just to engage in these spoken classes?
not to engage. I want to improve my vocabulary.
Hmm. Okay. What's your
That's
challenge
the main
when it
thing.
comes to speaking? Vocabulary is one thing.
Challenge. Yes,
Hmm.
vocabulary. Yeah, I didn't get the words, that correct words, you
Okay.
can say.
Hmm.
Yes,
All right.
that's all.
So, Pulkit, you just watch and observe how I am, conducting the activities, different activities, and how these students are performing on it. Then,
Hmm.
yeah, later I'll discuss with you everything. Okay.
Okay, okay.
All right. So, Pulkit, as you already have observed, all of them talked about this picture. Would you like to give it a try?
Uh, shall I speak?
You have to talk about this picture on your screen. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes. So you have to
So
put
in
your
the
nose.
first picture,
Mhm.
the teacher is teaching in the class, and there's a book
Mhm.
which names Sleeping Beauty, and in the second one, some of them are talking to each other.
Mhm.
uh, and the teacher is rude, I think. Yes, the teacher is rude and seeing them. And in the third one, she starts uh, shouting on them that
Mhm.
why are they talking and so on, but they didn't stop. And in the fourth one, she she
Mhm.
uh,
What is she doing now?
वो डांट रही है.
She's yelling and shouting at kids.
Yes, she's yelling on the girl, and the other ones are laughing. Yes, that's it.
Okay, good one. Yes. Now, as Pari reminded me that we had to do this activity where you all were supposed to talk about your favorite celebrity face. Should we start with it? I had given you day before yesterday, I guess. Yes, Pari?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Neha,
ma'am.
you were not in the class actually.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So Neha, you can meanwhile just think about one of your favorite actor, actors, actress, any famous personality you know, and you are really interested in the person you are really interested in. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Prakash, meanwhile, you can talk about this picture. Everybody think, then I'll ask. Think about your famous celebrity star or any famous personality, be it a leader, politician, whoever it is. Pulkit, you too. Yes, Prakash. Prakash, you
Ma'am,
raised your hand.
this picture of a classroom which has a madam and some children.
Which
Some
has a teacher.
a teacher. मैडम नहीं लिख सकते मैम.
मैडम जब हम किसी को बुलाते हैं तब एड्रेस करते हैं मैडम कह के, बट प्रोफेशनली शी इज अ टीचर, सो दैट्स द राइट वर्ड.
Some kids are making noise in class and some children are studying. Teacher very angry because children are making noise and madam is scolding the child.
That's it.
जी मैम.
स्पीक अ लिटिल मोर, थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करो.
मैम इतना ही बनाया है.
ओके ठीक है, नो वरीज. या परी, यू मे स्टार्ट नाउ.
Yes, ma'am.
यस.
Ma'am, my favorite celebrity name is Virat Kohli. Because he is the he is the captain of India team and RCB team. Virat Kohli had many achievements doing good performance in India team. He is the best captain after Dhoni. Yes, I follow her because follow him because from many years because of her batting and fielding. He plays in Indian team. He is a captain of India team and I like her batting most. He plays cricket for our country. And he had got many achievements doing good performance in cricket team and winning the matches. Yes, I also snake it in personal life because I follow her family and her daughter.
His family and daughter in particular. Daughter in particular. ठीक है, जब हम बोलते हैं ना स्पेशली, मैं उनकी फैमिली को फॉलो करती हूँ, स्पेशली उनको उनकी बेटी.
हाँ मैम.
This is how you can say I follow his family
His family and his daughter.
and his daughter in particular.
Okay ma'am.
Let me write it for you. His daughter in particular. This is how you can say. Okay?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah. Very good, buddy. Very good. All right. Now, who else is ready? Who else is ready? Chirag, you must have prepared it.
मैम मैंने उस टाइम सुना दिया था ना.
No. I am asking you that I gave it as an assignment for the next day, and then I forgot. So I'm asking about it today.
ओके मैम.
Gaurav, would you start?
Ma'am, right now I am writing.
Okay, that's fine, but don't spend too much time in writing only. लिखने में इतना टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. जो थॉट्स आपके दिमाग में आ रहे हैं, आप उनको पेन डाउन कर रहे हो. इंस्टेड डू वन थिंग कि जो भी आ रहा है डायरेक्टली उसको बोलते जाओ. अदरवाइज पहले लिखोगे फिर बोलोगे, लिखोगे फिर बोलोगे. स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस नहीं बन पाएगी गौरव. स्पीकिंग में फ्लुएंसी नहीं आएगी क्योंकि आपकी आदत बन जाएगी.
ग्रामेटिकल फिर मिस्टेक
स्पीकिंग में ग्रामेटिकल क्या देखना है? स्पीकिंग करोगे तो पता चलेगा ना.
या मैम.
Ma'am, can I try?
Sure, Riddhi. Please.
Well, there is no one whom I like. My choice get changed with the time. I like little bit Amitabh Bachchan,
Okay.
who came to know Big B. He was struggled in his career.
He struggled, wasn't he?
हाँ, he has नहीं, so has नहीं बोलेंगे ना, किया है.
He had struggled.
He
अच्छा,
has
किया है बोलना चाह रहे हो, फिर ठीक है.
Okay. He has struggled in his career. In starting days, he got disappointed because of his voice and height. Even he rejected by radio jockey to taken his voice, but he never give up.
Yeah.
He tried many times. He got success after some time. Then he tried in politics, Bharatiya Janata Party. He got success also there, but he was not interested in there. I like high thinking and simple way of him. That's why
I like
I
his approach of simple living and high thinking. I
like
like his
his
approach
approach
of simple living
and high thinking.
and high thinking.
That's why he stand in his film industry. मैम ये इतना वॉइस कैसे आ रहा है?
Somebody is turning pages. Yeah.
That's why he stand in film industry. मतलब मैं ये कहना चाहती कि इसी वजह से
Gaurav, kindly mute yourself. Yeah, Riddhi,
मैम
continue.
वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में अभी तक टिके हुए हैं, तो मेरे से ये ऐसे बना है. That's why he stand in film industry.
Or you can say he stood strong or he stood firmly
अच्छा.
in this
और
industry.
और मैम ये कैसे बोलेंगे कि ये कहना गलत ना होगा?
This won't be wrong to say.
This want to be wrong to say.
This won't be, will not be. This will
This want to
be wrong to say
to say, then slow and steady to wins the race.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Okay, okay. टू नहीं आएगा.
Okay.
Okay.
एंड जो अभी इससे पहले जस्ट आपने पूछा कि पकड़ बनाई हुई है, आप बोल
हाँ.
सकते हो he got his foot
He got
into
his foot.
this industry.
Okay, okay. He got his foot in industry.
He got his foot in this industry.
ठीक है मैम. मैम I done.
Done?
Yes ma'am.
Superb, Riddhi. Very nice. And Riddhi, whatever the words phrases I'm telling you here, keep noting all these words. They are going to help you in future. जब भी आप किसी और चीज के बारे में बात करते हो ना, collectively ये words कहीं ना कहीं आप use कर ही सकते हो, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. And I must say, Riddhi, you are improving day by day. Little by little, you are improving. That's
Thank
a
you.
good progress.
Thank you ma'am.
Now it is Pulkit. Pulkit, you go for it. Talk about your favorite celebrity or any famous personality you are interested in.
Ma'am, I've not thought anything about this,
You haven't given
but
up.
yes, I haven't given a thought, but I can say something about Dhoni.
Yeah, sure. Go on. Any other can speak. Come
Ma'am,
on.
may I tell?
Yeah, Gaurav, please.
Okay.
My favorite celebrity is Hrithik Roshan and Akshay Kumar, but Hrithik Roshan is my one of the favorite. I think most of the people knows because he is a good actor. He done every types of movies, and his father also a good actor. His personality is outstanding. He done every types of acting in movies. Some movies are magnificent. He is the one of the best dancer in film industry,
Yes.
and his nature is also good. And, his body, मैम बॉडी बोलेंगे फिगर बोलेंगे? बॉडी बोलेंगे ना?
किसको?
मतलब जैसे ऋतिक की बॉडी अच्छी है तो उसको बॉडी
Boredom.
बोलेंगे.
Boredom.
मैम
This is the word. Boredom. Boredom. Okay.
yeah, his boredom is so amazing.
Boredom is amazing.
क्या बोलेंगे मैम? वर्ड क्या यूज करेंगे?
आप बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो?
कि मतलब बहुत अच्छी है.
क्या चीज अच्छी है?
उनकी मतलब ऋतिक की बॉडी बहुत अच्छी है.
बॉडी अच्छी है. बॉडी हाँ, आप बोल सकते हो ही इज वेल बिल्ट. ही इज वेल बिल्ट मस्कुलर मैन. ठीक है.
Yeah. मैम दैट्स इट.
Just 2 or 4 sentences every time, Gaurav. थोड़ा सा और ट्राई किया करो बोलना.
ओके मैम, उस दिन एबी डिविलियर्स के बारे में बताया था. Can I
I
repeat?
remember you talked about A.B. de Villiers. Okay, let it be, no issues. But it's just that I want to tell you कि जब भी आप किसी के बारे में बात करते हो या कोई टॉपिक मैंने आपको दिया है तो उनके बारे में हर मुमकिन चीज बात कर लो. लाइक हियर यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट हु, ऋतिक रोशन, ठीक है. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट हिज अचीवमेंट्स एज वेल. आप उनके अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में भी तो बात कर सकते हैं, है ना.
मैम
टॉक अबाउट हिज
इनको भी मिल गया.
अचीवमेंट्स, talk
या
about the number
इनको
of movies he has done.
he has done
What?
many blockbusters movies.
He has done. Yes, he has done blockbuster movies. Out of those blockbusters, this one is my personal favorite. ऐसे करके आप बोल सकते हो. This one is my personal favorite because I really liked the character he played,
Yeah,
the role he
yeah.
played in this picture.
कोई मिल
और फिर
गया
आप
and अकबर.
Yes, yes. And you can then elaborate about the character too. उस पिक्चर में जो कैरेक्टर है उसको elaborate भी कर सकते हो. तो थोड़ा सा खिंच जाता है आपका टॉपिक ऑटोमेटिकली, ठीक है. But it's good. No worries, it's good. Yes, it is now Neha's turn. Neha.
Yeah, ma'am. My favorite personality is MS Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Dhoni is a great sportsman. He is an Indian cricketer. He is the old captain of India. Dhoni played as a wicket keeper also. Dhoni was a very nice captain. He achieved a lot of things. He is a greatest youth icon. I watch lots of Dhoni's matches. Before cricket, Dhoni worked in railway. Dhoni is a very talented and wonderful player. I am always his fan, but now he retired from ODI and World Cup. Now he plays only in IPL matches for Chennai Super Kings. That's it.
मैम थोड़ा बहुत मैं बताऊं धोनी के बारे में जो इन्होंने छोड़ दिया.
Sure, sure.
Dhoni is the greatest keeper out of the world. And in keeping सबसे ज्यादा कैच he has take around कितना था lot of catches. सबसे ज्यादा के लिए बोलेंगे क्या बोलेंगे मैम?
Catches are catches only.
Okay. And every person knows
Successful
the
catches.
second name of Captain Cool.
Yeah, his another name is Captain Cool. और
Yeah.
आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो we also know him as Captain Cool.
And he also won the World Cup in 2011.
Or you can say we won the World Cup under his captainship. We won the World Cup. India won the World Cup under his captainship.
And he was playing winning.
He played the
winning finish. या मैम पारी के लिए क्या बोलेंगे?
हाँ, he played the winning. And he was in partnership with?
He was partnership
With Gautam Gambhir.
No, not Gautam Gambhir.
He was with
out हो गया था लास्ट में 91 पे. Because I saw the
He
match
was
many
with-
times.
who is that Punjabi boy? Yuvraj Singh.
Yeah, ma'am. Yuvraj Singh comes Then he won the match.
युवराज एंड हरभजन सिंह.
धोनी ने जिताया था छक्का मार के लास्ट.
Yes.
मैम अभी इन्होंने एक शुरुआत में एक सेंटेंस बोला था कि थोड़ा बहुत मैं बताऊं जो इन्होंने छोड़ दिया.
जो उन्होंने छोड़ दिया. Okay.
हाँ
Ma'am,
तो
shall I talk about Dhoni? Shall
या
I
फिर
talk
ये
about Dhoni?
या फिर ऐसे भी बोलेंगे आई वांट टू से सम मोर अबाउट MS धोनी.
हाँ, yes, I want to add something more about MS Dhoni, which she hasn't spoken or which she hasn't mentioned yet.
शी हैजंट मेंशन्ड या फिर ये नहीं बोलेंगे विच शी हैज लेफ्ट, उसने जो छोड़
नहीं,
दिया है.
left नहीं आएगा. Left नहीं आएगा. Which she hasn't.
मेंशन.
Yes, mentioned. Which she hasn't mentioned. ठीक है.
I mean नोट डाउन करने हैं नोटबुक में.
Yes, you may note it down. आपको ही हेल्प करेगा आगे.
मैम दूसरा सेंटेंस क्या बताया था? एक तो यही आई वांट टू से सम मोर अबाउट.
I want to add something more. I want to add something more.
ओके.
I want to add something here. Simple as that. I want to add something here which she hasn't mentioned.
ये स्टोरी में मैम काम आती है ना.
हाँ, right. And when it is very much important कि हम जब भी किसी टॉपिक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना, उसको एक अच्छा सा इंट्रोडक्शन जरूर दें. तो इंट्रोडक्शन कैसा होना चाहिए? Like I asked about the famous personalities in your country, famous personalities or famous politician, कोई भी, ठीक है. तो आप कैसे बोल सकते हो? You can start by saying there are many famous personalities in various fields and specializations. Let me mention this. There are many famous personalities.
मैम नो नीड टू राइट. आई गॉट इट.
Okay. Still, let me write so that everybody can have a look. There are many famous personalities in different or various fields and specializations. ठीक है. इतना कहने के बाद आप क्या बोल सकते हो? But की भी जरूरत नहीं है. Here I would like to talk about. Here I would like to talk about. जिसके भी बारे में आप बात करना चाहते हैं. ठीक है. Here I would like to talk about जो भी वो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन है. It means कि टॉपिक कुछ भी हो. ये तो फेमस पर्सनालिटी के बारे में था. What I mean to say, टॉपिक कुछ भी हो, उसको इस तरह का थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हो आप. ठीक है. Number of developments. Let's suppose I'm asking you about the developments you have noticed, you have witnessed over the years in India. India में आपने क्या क्या developments देखे हैं इन चुनिंदा सालों में. ठीक है. Over the years in India. So वहाँ पर आप क्या बोल सकते हो? There have been various developments in terms of technology, education, medical, this and that. But here I would like to highlight. Here I would like to highlight. Talk about की जगह आप क्या लिख सकते हो? Highlight. But here I would like to highlight one of the most prominent development.
प्रोमिनेंट क्या होता है?
हाँ, prominent होता है visible. Visible.
मतलब कहाँ पे यूज होगा ये?
एक तो प्रोमिनेंट का मतलब होता है फेमस. ठीक है. बहुत ही फेमस डेवलपमेंट, बहुत ही फेमस पर्सनालिटी, प्रोमिनेंट पर्सनालिटी. दूसरा प्रोमिनेंट का मतलब होता है जो कि क्लियरली विजिबल होती है, एविडेंट होती है, सबूत होता है उसका। तो जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर बोला कि देयर हैव बीन नंबर ऑफ डेवलपमेंट्स इन इंडिया ओवर द इयर्स, बट आई वुड लाइक टू हाईलाइट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट, प्रोमिनेंट मतलब जो दिखी है सबको, जो एविडेंट है, सबूता तौर पर है। तो प्रोमिनेंट को हम कैसे समझ सकते हैं? सबूता तौर पर एक ये डेवलपमेंट है विच इज मेट्रो, ठीक है, वो तो सबको दिखी है, तो
यस,
प्रोमिनेंट।
ओके, ठीक ठीक। अब मैम हिंदी में ना मतलब नहीं समझ आ रहा कैसे लिखूं।
प्रोमिनेंट का मतलब एक हो गया फेमस, और दूसरा
जिसको
मतलब,
सबने देखा है।
हाँ, और दूसरा मतलब हो गया क्लियरली विजिबल, क्लियरली एविडेंट,
ओके ओके।
ठीक है। I hope you all are clear. Is there anybody else who wants to talk about any famous personality?
नो मैम,
Chirag, why won't you?
मैम मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा।
But that's wrong. If you would speak
Ma'am,
just
can you
for 5
rewind
to
the
7
page?
minutes. Yeah, Pulkit.
Ma'am, can you rewind the page?
Sure, I'll show you. Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Neha, you have spoken, I guess.
Yeah.
Would you like to add something else here about this topic?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. सो ये एक छोटा सा आपको मैंने हिंट दिया है, जब भी कोई आपको टॉपिक दिया जाए उसमें एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन ऐड करो, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि किसी भी क्वेश्चन को आप किस तरह से एड्रेस कर रहे हो, उसके बारे में बात करना कैसे शुरू कर रहे हो, वहीं से बहुत ना इंप्रेशन बनता है। सो इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, बट द वे यू स्पीक इंग्लिश is also important, equally important. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. It's good like
यस
in a
मैम।
speech, debate, everything useful.
Yes, yes, of course.
मैम it
Wait, ma'am has left. She's rejoining.
हाँ जी।
मैम का डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है, अभी ज्वाइन कर रही है।
मैम कह रही है कि व्हाट्सएप में मैम ने कुछ मैसेज भेज दिया।
Yeah, ma'am has left. Finally left.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम है।
Yeah.
So should we left?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I think time is over now.
Yes, yes. Oh, no more assignments.
Update on WhatsApp, I think. She will update on WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay, bye bye, guys.
Bye. Bye, everyone.